Hariam children, already I have explained the chapter force and pressure. Today I am solving some numerical based on this chapter because the question answer I will send in the PDF form. The numericals also I will send from the exercise in the PDF form. But I am doing some extra numericals based on this chapter so that about the concept about the numericals will be clear. Because the numericals is very important in a chapter. Every chapter physics numerical is very important. If you do the numericals properly means your chapter concept is clear. Understood? So I am doing some numericals today. See, suppose first question. So children, question number 1. A block of cement is 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter wide and 5 centimeter thick and weighs 20 Newton. It is kept on the ground with its 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter face in contact with the ground. Calculate the pressure exerted on the ground by the brick. A block of cement is 20 centimeter long. Here you have to write long, 20 centimeter long. Okay. You have to write 20 centimeter long here. Then here 20 centimeter long and 10 centimeter wide and 5 centimeter thick and weight is 20 Newton. Total cement block have the length, breadth and height given. So long question you see given, but very easily you can do. Here the weight. Weight means what? That brick is giving force on the surface. How much weight is giving? Here which weight is given? Here weight means what? The force, how much our weight on this ground. That means that is the force we are giving on the ground. So force is 20 Newton. Clear? Now which area contact with the surface or ground? 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter. That face, total face we have not to take. Here 20 centimeter length have no work. Only which face it is contact with the ground, 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter. That means this is length, this is breadth. Now you have to not to take 20 centimeter long. There is no meaning of here 20 centimeter long. Which face is on the ground, that we have to take. So here the area is 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter. We have to convert into meter because Newton is given. So here the unit we have to centimeter, we have to convert into meter. 10 by 100 meter into 5 by 100 meter. So it will be 0 cancel. So 5 by 10 into 100, 1000 meter square. Now question given to find. Calculate the pressure exerted on the ground by the brick. So the pressure exerted formula is what? Pressure is equal to your force by area. So force here 20 Newton and area is 5 by 1000 meter square. Clear? Now this 20 whole divided by 5 by 1000. If you will multiply, it will reciprocate. So here I am writing 20 into 1000 by 5. 5 cancel 4. So 4 into 1000, it will be 4000 Newton. Unit will be what? Pressure. Newton per meter square. Or we can write 4000 Pascal. Clear? Understood? So easily done. So lengthy question given, but so easily. Force you have to take, area we have to take. Pressure formula is force by area. Understood? Next question I am doing. So next question, question number 2. A boy weighing 600 Newton sits on a seesaw at a distance of 1.5 meter from the pivot. What is the force required at the other end 2 meter away to balance the seesaw? Suppose this is a seesaw. Here it is the pivoted point. Clear? and a boy weighting 600 Newton. 600 Newton weight is giving. A boy weighting 600 Newton. And this is the pivoted point. 600 Newton on a seesaw at a distance of 1.5 meter. This distance is 1.5 meter. Then what is the force required at the other end? At the other end, how much force will be applied? This is unknown. Let a force required at the other end 2 meter away. Suppose this distance is equal to 2 meter away to balance the seesaw. So this side moment of force formula is what? Force into perpendicular distance between the force applied and the pivoted point. So according to the principle of moment or at the principle of equilibrium condition, the clockwise moment is equal to anti-clockwise moment. So clockwise moment, any side you can take. Clockwise moment is equal to anti-clockwise moment. Suppose the anti-clockwise moment, here the direction is not given to you, force is only applied. So we can take, suppose you take this side as anti-clockwise moment. Anti-clockwise moment is equal to your force into perpendicular distance. So force is given how much? 600 Newton into perpendicular distance 1.5 meter. You keep it like this. This is anti-clockwise moment. Like this clockwise moment, force into perpendicular distance, force is not given to you, let it be F into perpendicular distance 2 meter. So according to the principle of moment, anti-clockwise moment is equal to clockwise moment. So anti-clockwise moment, what you got? 600 Newton into 1.5 meter is equal to here F into 2 meter. So F is equal to 600 into 1.5 by 2 is equal to F. 2 cancel, 300. So implies F is equal to 300 into 1.5. So it will be 300 into 1.5, how much? 450 Newton. Multiplication correct. So how much force should be applied? What is the force required at the other end 2 meter away to balance the seesaw? So force required to apply is 450 Newton to balance the seesaw. Understood? The figure also you can do. Figure if you do, it will be easy for you to understand. Force, this is the pivoted point. Here the force is applied by one person or one boy at a distance of 1.5 meter from the pivoted point. So the moment of force is equal to force into perpendicular distance 600 into 1.5 written. Then the moment of force in clockwise direction, force into perpendicular distance F into 2m. So F into 2 meter. So according to the principle of moment, anti-clockwise moment is equal to clockwise moment. So 600 into 1.5 is equal to force into 2 meter. So force is equal to 600 into 1.5 by 2. Solve, will get 450 Newton. Understood? Next question. So next question, question number 3. A force of 20 Newton acts on an area of 20 centimeter square. Calculate the pressure exerted. Very easy question. Pressure to find, two things required. One is force, another is area. Force given and area also given. But I have given this question. Why? Because when you are doing or solving the numericals, you have to see the units are in the same form or not. Here it is given in SI unit, but this is not given in SI unit. So we have to convert this one. Many times children are doing this type of mistakes. So first you write force is equal to 20 Newton and area is equal to 20 centimeter square. So area we have to convert into meter square. 20 by how much? 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter square how much meter square? By 10,000. Understood? 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 meter square. So 1 0 cancel. So 2 by 1000 meter square. Now pressure you find. Pressure is equal to force by area. So force is given 20 Newton by area 2 by 1000 meter square. So 20 Newton, it will by divided, so it will multiply, it will be reciprocate 1000 by 2, 10. So it will be 10 into 1000, it will be 10,000. Unit is what? Newton per meter square or 10,000 Pascal. Understood? If one mistake only you have to do, if you will not convert this unit to the proper unit, same unit, then total problem is wrong, solution will get 0. Understood? Next question. So this question number 4, a woman weighs 2000 Newton, the area of her feet is 200 centimeter square. How much pressure does she exert on the ground when she stands on just 1 foot? Here you see woman weighs 2000 Newton, that means the force here is 2000 Newton. Then area how much? Area is 200 centimeter square. But what the question given? Pressure does she exert on the ground when she stands on just 1 foot? Here see the question properly. The area of her feet given plural means 2 foot. Then it becomes feet. That means 2 foot area is given. But here is question given 1 foot. How much pressure is exerted? So area is it's half 200 by 2. It will be 100 centimeter square. Centimeter square unit I have told always you to bring the same form. So 100 by 1000 centimeter square. 1 centimeter square how much meter square? 1 centimeter square in previous problem I have done. 100 by 10,000. Clear? So 2 0 cancel. So it will be 1 by 100 meter square. Got the area? Now understood. Question is given the feet area of the feet. But here question given to find the pressure exerted by 1 foot. Clearly question given. So pressure is equal to force by area. So force here is 2000 Newton by area is 1 by 100 meter square. So 2000 will reciprocate multiply into 100. It will be 2 how many 0? 50 Newton per meter square. Or we can write in the power of 10, we can write 2 into how many 0? 1 2 3 4 5. 4 5, so 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square or Pascal. P. Understood? Clear? How to solve? Question given. Always one thing you remember. When the first, what are the numericals when you will solve? First, what are the values given? That value you first write it. Here force given, force you write. Area given, area you write. Then you have to see all the units are in the same form or not. SI or CGs. Any one unit you have to change. If it is not in the same form, you have to change. The bring in the same unit. Then what question given to find pressure? So pressure formula is used. According to the formula you solve and get the answer. Understood? So this type of numerical, different types of numerical I have done. Some extra numericals from the exercise. Also I will give some extra numericals also I will give in the PDF form. You will solve it in the home. Still if you have any doubt, you can ask me in my WhatsApp number. Okay? Thank you.